Hey, what's up guys? We have big news from eBay and PayPal, and I kind of seen this coming. I think I mentioned it in one of the videos. I wasn't sure that eBay could get rid of PayPal quite as quickly as they estimated they could, and we all know it was gonna be like 3 years till it was implemented over, 5 years before it was gone pretty much altogether. They'd still be an option as a payment processor. It's just that you would have to use like the PayPal debit card or use the bank account withdrawal ACH type thing. So anyways, as of last night, yesterday, PayPal and eBay have inked a new agreement. I'm gonna bring you over to the website and show you that they're gonna continue offering PayPal through 2023. That's 5 more years, which was kind of already decided, but they're gonna be an actual payment processor rather than a payment option. So if you don't understand what the difference of that is, the payment option just meant that like, you could use PayPal to fund the transaction. This is going to actually allow them to stay sort of in the position that they are in up to 5 more years. Now, the new company, Adyen or whatever they're called, the Dutch company that's taking over, AYDEN, if you haven't seen the other videos, I'll link one down below. They're supposed to be cheaper on the fees. I looked up the pay structure. Again, the video down below has that pay fee structure in it. And it doesn't look like it's gonna be cheaper on some things. It does look like it'll be cheaper on other things, depending on how your customer pays you, which we have no way to know how they're gonna pay us. We have no way to tell them, hey, use Visa instead of American Express, or use Apple Pay instead of Samsung Pay, or whatever. So you won't really know until the payment is completed what you're gonna pay with them. Whether or not it's gonna be cheaper or not, we'll have to see. If it is, then you would have no reason to continue using PayPal as the payment processor. You would want to use Adyen as your processor versus PayPal, but people that feel more comfortable with PayPal or use PayPal may be willing to pay the few extra 10 cents, 15, 20 cents to stay with them. For small volume sellers, it probably won't add up to very much, a few bucks a month. For people like me that are in the middle, it may add up to 50 bucks, 100 bucks, 150 bucks a month, who knows. And for big volume sellers, you know, people selling thousands of items, thousands of transactions, it may add up to thousands of dollars. So something to look out for. But let's check out the story on this and show you guys just what eBay and PayPal worked out, I guess in the wee hours of yesterday or the day before. So check it out. Under the new deal, eBay will offer PayPal through July of 2023, another 5 years and a couple months to boot there. They announced it on Monday, April 23rd. Today is Wednesday, April 25th. So this was finished just 2 nights ago, less than 2 nights ago. In the press release, eBay and PayPal said that the new agreement builds on a deal to make PayPal a payment option on eBay's new payments model. The new agreement will ensure that PayPal continues to be available to buyers on the eBay marketplace. The deal includes payments via the PayPal payment button, as well as other services, including fraud detection and buyer protection. So pretty much everything will stay the same to a point. PayPal's been a great partner for eBay. The president and CEO of eBay, Devin Wenegg, says that in the press release, we're pleased to continue to offer PayPal as a form of payment on eBay and look forward to continued strong partnerships with PayPal going forward. PayPal currently provides eBay with a payment solution based on the existing contract that lasts through July of 2020. Dan Schulman, who is the president and CEO of PayPal, was also excited about it, excited to continue and provide our millions of mutual customers with innovative, trusted and seamless PayPal payment experiences. As part of the earnings announcement in February, eBay announced it would move to bring payments between buyers and sellers into its own orbit and struck a deal to bring Adyen on board as the payment processor. By doing that, eBay said it will lower costs along the online marketplace by offering more options at checkout for consumers of eBay's marketplace. So they're saying they're going to lower payments. We're still, you know, hoping to see that. I hope so. You know, paying thousands of dollars a year to PayPal. I don't care what company I'm paying it to. I just want the lowest rate. So hopefully that'll happen. But for those of you that still want to use PayPal, it'll be there and offered as a method, which will also give people a chance, you know, at their own pace to kind of not have to rush. You've got 5 years, you know, at least 2, if not 5 years to work yourself into a transitional phase and get transferred over there. So just a little update I thought I'd give you guys. Thanks so much. I'll have another video out later tonight. It is Wednesday, and I've been out and about, so I'll get that up. It'll probably be a little bit late tonight, but make sure you come back and check it out. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And if you appreciate these videos, please give them a thumbs up. Check out some of the other videos, and I appreciate you guys watching. Have a wonderful day. See you then.